Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and in this video I'm going to be telling you another tip in Excel. And the tip is to how you can protect an Excel file with Protect Sheet. So let me show you how it works. So if you head over to info over here, as you can see, this is a currently protected workbook, but we can add another protection, which is this protect current sheets. And what it does is that it protects the sheets on this file. Like for example, you need to have a password to be able to select lock cells, unlock cells, or format cells. Like you can't really format anything, not even change the add another column or add more words or letters without putting the password on. So now we're gonna write down a password that will be needed in order to unlock the sheet. So as you can see, if I click on it, as you can see, it's gonna give us a warning that the cell or chart that you're trying to access needs a password. And to make a change, we need to unprotect the sheet. And what you can do is head back up to info like we did earlier, and then click on unprotect on the bottom right side over here. Or just click on protect sheet and then just write down the password. Let's try writing the wrong password to see if it really works. Let's see. As you can see that the password we supplied was not correct and it's not gonna let us in. But if we try putting on the right password now, it can still be done here on protect sheet. You're now gonna be able to unlock the sheet and do some modifications. And if you want to go back and protect the sheet again, you can just click back here on protect workbook and then just put protect sheet back again. And that is how you can protect your Excel file using protect sheet. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.